Bad words in the background.
Those bad
Hey,
words.
go, best friend!
My best friend. Your best. I'm keeping that. It's cute.
Did you really just like it?
No.
What'd you get, Joe?
Justin Bieber. I'm sleeping with this tonight.
I told you you wouldn't be sleeping with Lacey tonight.
So now that you have Justin Bieber, do you want to make cookies?
Yeah.
Okay.
He's gonna make cookies with
Best
us.
reaction ever. Best reaction ever.